Alright guys, I'm doing a little video for something that happened to me. So you're trying to start your truck, your Ram 1500, and you get that message. Wait a second. The check engine is on. It says, engine will not start, service DEF system. Just before getting this, I had the countdown. It was going from 150 miles up to 0. But when it arrives at 0, the engine didn't stop. So I was able to do 100 miles more. And when I arrived home, I stopped the engine, tried to start it back. That's what I got. Impossible to start. So if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and you want to start the vehicle, I'll show you how. There's a little trick. So first of all, keep your key here to on position. Keep it just like that. Get off the car. You go right into the inside here, the compartment. All right. So it's a 2015 Ram Eco Diesel. I don't know if you can do it on all vehicles, all Ram models. I don't know, but if you're stuck, you can always try. So you have two fuse boxes. This one here. You have the battery here, and you have the fuse box right here. All right. Open the fuse box. Shit. Okay, I'll try to do it this way. Okay, so you have several things here. The one closest to the engine, this one here, it's the relay, the starting relay. So you remove it, play with it, and then you remove it. All right. Then the only thing you need to do, I don't know if the video will show it. Okay, it doesn't show. It's the pin 3 and 5. You need to short them together. Pin 3 and 5, or the inverse 3 and 5, or 3 and 5, whatever. It's those two. So what you do, you short them together. I use this. Of course, don't use things that have metal here. You don't want to short yourself. So this is plastic here, so I cannot arm myself. So I'll try to show you. Put one side in and the other one. Somewhere have to touch it. Stop. There you go. Start it. Simple as that. So you see that when I tried it at first, it didn't work because it's not the best thing to use, these kind of things. If you have a wire, it would be better. But if you're stuck, it's a good way to try. So see again, engine will not start. Bullshit. I just started. So that's about it, guys. All right, thanks.